Let's take it across to the Indian rupee. The RBI intervention and the weakness in the dollar index did help rupee recover towards the close, but in intraday it did breach the 63 to dollar mark, dipping to 63.08 levels. On your screen, 62.87 is how the rupee finally closed the day for. Let's take it across to Manisha Gupta, who's joining us with more details of the trade today and how does one expect rupee to fare going forward.
Well, a day that has started on a weaker note is ending slightly in the positive to the markets there. We have seen some support coming in from the fact that RBI did intervene and try to hold back on those levels of 63 in the market there. Apart from that, there have been some positive talks of Indian government lobbying with the trade partners to receive rupee as an accepted payment mode for the exports that we do. So that is something that also the markets have been watching. Apart from that, there has been a turnaround in the US dollar index, which is broken below 81 yet again. That was supportive. You have seen a turnaround in most of Asian currencies by the time the markets closed, and that in turn also saw some support for the rupee going forward. But having said that, you still have the tapering fears from US in the market. You also have reports or concerns about the swap window closure coming into the next week, and that would put further pressure on the rupee. You also have the month-end dollar demand coming in from the foreign banks, exporters. Also, the oil marketing companies have been shopping in the market, so all of those factors would continue to put pressure on the currency. Having said that, the inflationary concerns and high CAD numbers are also something that are making the rupee vulnerable. Most of the big bankers feel that going forward, the rupee might see a slippage to around 65, 67 kind of levels. For the very near term, though, in the next week, 62 to 63.5 is still a range that the rupee could hold on to.
The swap window is going to shut on 30th November unless it gets extended. So how will the market, handle the fact that the $25 billion which would have come in 2 months is not going to come in, onwards. So I think these are the ones which are keeping the rupee under pressure. Having said that, while in the very, very short term the rupee could see some more weakness, could probably head towards 63.50 odd levels, these are still very good levels for exporters to book their receivables.